Hi guys, it's Linda with Solstice Ltd. I wanted to bring you another quick DIY jewelry making video, and the topic today is chains. When I first started making jewelry, I wondered if purchasing finished chains was the way to go versus bulk. And although it was a lot easier to buy the finished chain already intact with the clasp, I was making so many necklaces that it was more cost effective for me to buy chain in bulk. So I wanted to show you just a quick DIY on how to finish the chain with the clasp and extension. The materials you'll need some wire. I get between a 24 to a 26 gauge sterling silver wire. You'll need your cutters, your flat nose, your round nose pliers, some clasps, and your chain. To make a 16-inch necklace, I begin with a 15-inch piece of chain. I have 2 pieces of 1-inch wire. I have 2 inches of an extension chain. And I'm going to begin by taking my 1-inch wire and my round nose plier, and I'm going to create a little loop on one end, and I'm going to attach it to one end of the chain. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it, the base. Cut off any excess wire. Use your flat nose plier to tuck in any sharp edges. I'm going to go ahead and create another loop with my round nose plier. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the extension chain. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off. Cut off any excess and tuck in any sharp edges. I'm going to go ahead and take my other end and attach the clasp. Go ahead and get my round nose plier. I'm going to use the end of the barrel to create my loop. I'm going to go ahead and attach the clasp to this end. Flat nose pliers to tuck the sharp edges down. Round nose pliers to create another loop. Get my clasp, attach it to the end, and finish it off. I'm going to get my cutters, cut off any excess wire, and tuck down any sharp edges with my round nose plier. And there you have it, your finished chain. And they can either go 16 inches or 18 inches. So some math for you. By making your own chain, you can save anywhere from $1.75 a chain on up. And it really depends on how much chain you buy. You can buy 10 feet. They usually have breaks, either like 10, 20, and 50. The more you buy, of course, the price comes down. And another thing, when you are cutting your wire and you have all these little pieces of excess, keep them, because you can also recycle those for money. And I also put another link below on where you can recycle your silver. So if you have any questions, please comment below. If you want to see another DIY video, please let me know what you're looking for. I'd love to show you how to make it. Take care and have a great week, guys.